Around the world, the sea is rising. This phenomenon is not just a distant threat, it is happening right now, affecting millions of people globally. This is a serious problem for many cities located on coasts. These urban areas are facing unprecedented challenges as they grapple with the encroaching waters. These cities are low to the water, making them particularly vulnerable. The infrastructure in these areas was not designed to withstand such frequent and severe flooding. As the sea level goes up, the land is at risk of flooding. This means that homes, businesses and entire communities are in danger of being submerged. This is a major effect of climate change. The melting of glaciers and polar ice caps is contributing to the rising sea levels, exacerbating the problem. We are already seeing the impacts today. Streets are turning into rivers and neighborhoods are becoming uninhabitable. Millions of people are vulnerable. These are not just statistics, they are real lives being disrupted and displaced. Their homes, their livelihoods, their very way of life is threatened. The economic and emotional toll is immense. We must act now to understand and address this growing crisis. Scientists, policymakers and communities need to work together to find sustainable solutions. We need to find ways to protect these vital parts of our planet. Investing in coastal protection measures and innovative solutions is crucial for our future. The primary cause of sea level rise is global warming. This warming is caused by human activities. The burning of fossil fuels is a major contributor. These fuels release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat and warm the planet. This trapped heat has a significant impact on the Earth's ice. It melts glaciers and ice sheets. The melted ice flows into the ocean, causing the sea level to rise. Additionally, the ocean water itself expands as it warms, further contributing to rising sea levels. Miami, a vibrant coastal city, is experiencing more frequent and severe flooding. This is not just a seasonal issue, but a growing concern that affects the daily lives of its residents. The picturesque beaches and bustling streets are often submerged, disrupting both tourism and local businesses. Saltwater intrusion threatens fresh water supplies, making it difficult for residents to access clean drinking water. This contamination also affects local wildlife and the overall ecosystem, creating a ripple effect of environmental challenges. The city is investing in elevating roads and buildings, but the future remains uncertain. These measures are costly and may only provide temporary relief. Long-term solutions are still being debated among experts and city planners. Jakarta, the capital of Indonesia, is sinking faster than any other major city. The rapid subsidence is alarming, with some areas sinking by as much as 25 centimeters per year. This is due to a combination of sea level rise and excessive groundwater extraction. The over-reliance on groundwater has weakened the ground, making it more susceptible to sinking. The Indonesian government has plans to relocate its capital to higher ground. This ambitious project aims to reduce the risks associated with flooding and land subsidence, but it will take years to complete. Dhaka, Bangladesh, a megacity situated on the Ganges Delta, is highly vulnerable to sea level rise and flooding. The city's location makes it a prime target for natural disasters, which are becoming more frequent and severe. The city is densely populated and millions live in low-lying areas. These communities are often the hardest hit during floods, with limited resources to recover and rebuild. Cyclones and storm surges pose constant threats. The combination of high population density and inadequate infrastructure makes disaster response and recovery particularly challenging. Governments and communities around the world are taking action. They are coming together to address the urgent threat posed by rising sea levels, which endanger millions of people living in coastal areas. They are building seawalls and coastal defenses to hold back the rising tides. These structures are designed to protect homes, businesses and critical infrastructure from flooding and erosion. They are investing in early warning systems and evacuation plans. These measures ensure that communities are prepared for extreme weather events and can respond quickly to minimize loss of life and property. There is a global effort to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. By transitioning to renewable energy sources like wind and solar power, we can slow the rate of climate change and its impact on sea levels. This requires a transition to clean energy sources and sustainable practices. Sustainable fishing and farming practices also play a crucial role in maintaining the health of our oceans and coastal ecosystems. International agreements like the Paris Climate Accord aim to limit global warming. These agreements are essential for coordinating global efforts and ensuring that all countries contribute to the solution. However, much more needs to be done. The current measures are not enough to fully address the scale of the problem, and the impacts of climate change are already being felt around the world. We need stronger policies, bolder actions, and a united commitment to protect our planet and its people from the impacts of sea level rise. Only through collective effort and determination can we hope to secure a safer future for generations to come. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates on critical issues like sea level rise.